Today, I am reviewing the Cambridge Audio Minx X301 Subwoofer. If at any time you like to explore this subwoofer for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're searching for a compact subwoofer that delivers powerful, room-filling bass without overwhelming your space, the Cambridge Audio Minx X301 is a serious contender. Despite its small footprint, this powered subwoofer packs a massive punch, offering deep, tight bass that enhances everything from music to movies with a level of detail and precision that's rare in this size class. Let's start with what makes the Minx X301 stand out: its performance-to-size ratio. Measuring just over 10 inches wide and about 12 inches tall, this sub is easy to fit into most entertainment setups. Whether it's going under a media console, tucked beside your speakers, or perched on a tabletop, it doesn't demand much real estate. But don't let its compact form fool you. Inside, you'll find an 8-inch active driver paired with an 8-inch passive radiator. This dual-driver design delivers a full-bodied, articulate low end that sounds significantly larger than the cabinet it comes from. At the heart of the Minx X301 is a 300-watt amplifier, which provides more than enough power to fill medium to large rooms with clean, controlled bass. Whether you're listening to high-energy EDM tracks, thunderous cinematic explosions, or subtle acoustic jazz, this sub handles the low frequencies with impressive finesse. It doesn't just boom, it articulates. Notes have depth, weight, and a natural decay, which adds realism to both music and movies. One of the best features of the X301 is how adaptable it is to your space and preferences. The rear panel includes easy-to-use knobs for volume and crossover frequency, which allow you to dial in the sound to your liking. Whether you're integrating it into a 2.1 stereo system or using it as part of a more elaborate home theater setup, it blends seamlessly with other speakers. You can adjust the crossover anywhere from 50 Hz to 200 Hz, giving you total control over how the sub interacts with your main speakers. This flexibility is ideal for rooms of all shapes and sizes, and for users who want to fine-tune their audio for optimal performance. The sound quality is where Cambridge Audio's engineering really shines. Unlike some budget subs that prioritize boom over clarity, the Minx X301 is refined. It's designed not just to shake the room, but to complement the rest of your system. The bass is tight and well-defined, without being muddy or overpowering. This makes it a fantastic choice for audiophiles who want their bass to be present and powerful, but still musical and controlled. Another smart feature is its auto-on mode, which means the subwoofer will automatically power on when it detects an incoming audio signal. This not only saves you from having to manually switch it on and off every time, but also conserves energy when the system is idle. And thanks to the internal digital signal processor, the sub maintains excellent performance even at high volumes, keeping distortion low and dynamic range high. Visually, the gloss black finish gives it a sleek, modern look that blends well with most decor styles. It's a minimalistic design that doesn't scream for attention but still manages to look elegant and premium. The build quality feels solid, and it has a weight of around 16.5 pounds, giving it a reassuringly sturdy presence on your shelf or floor. Connectivity is simple and straightforward. It uses standard RCA inputs, making it compatible with virtually all AV receivers, stereo amps, and home theater processors. Setup is quick and painless. Even if you're not a seasoned audiophile, you'll have no trouble getting this subwoofer up and running within minutes. To sum it all up, the Cambridge Audio Minx X301 is a remarkable subwoofer that delivers deep, refined, and powerful bass in a compact, beautifully designed package. It's perfect for apartment dwellers, smaller listening rooms, or anyone who wants strong bass without the bulk of a full-size sub. With 300 watts of clean power, advanced tuning options, energy-efficient features, and rich, impactful sound, it punches well above its weight class. If you're building a high-quality audio system or upgrading your existing setup, the Minx X301 is more than worth the investment. It's a smart, stylish, and sonically impressive subwoofer that proves you don't need a giant box to get truly satisfying low-end performance.